hope that you are all fine. We don't know when we are going to be relieved from the lockdown. So during the lockdown period, we are going to learn something based on that academic for forthcoming academic year 2020 to 21. I wish all of you to attend the class, and I think it's very useful to you. And I am going to take mathematics for class 6th standard. Okay, in 6th standard, the first term, we are having 6 chapters, and the first chapter is numbers. Okay, what is number? All of you know the numbers, natural number, whole number, all of you know. And what are all the natural numbers? Natural numbers started from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the whole number is started from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. And you know how to find that operations, how to do operations, 4 operations on the numbers. What are the 4 operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And here we come across many situations in our real life about large numbers. What are the large numbers we use very often? For example, the number of people in the district and the number of vehicles are sold in a year, or how many of them are affected by this COVID-19. These are all the things and numbers to calculate the large numbers like 10,000, 20,000, lakhs and that. Many of them use this lakhs and crores. Very businessmen can use this lakhs and crores. But small children will use only the hundreds and thousand, you know. But how to place value that numbers, large numbers, and how to do the system based on that Indian system or international system. First of all, you have to recap what are all the successor. What is a successor and what is a predecessor? You all know what is a successor. Successor is nothing but when a new number is given for you, you have to add 1 to the given number. For example, for successor, when we add 1 to the given number, we add 1 to the given number, it is the successor. If you add 1 to the given number, it is the successor of the number. So how to do this? For example, if we take 536, when we add 1 to this, if we add 1 to this, we will get 537. This is the successor of the number 536. Now how to calculate that predecessor? Predecessor is a number subtract 1 from the given number. Subtract 1 from the given number is the predecessor of the number. How to calculate this? For example, if we take 499, what is the predecessor of the given number 499 means you have to subtract the 1 from that 499, you will get 498. This is the predecessor of a given number. Okay, now we will pass on to that. I will give you some examples. I will give you some more examples for successor and predecessor. the successor of 5301. That means 5341 is what is that? Successor. And the predecessor of 6000 is. How to do this? I already told you how to find the successor. Successor means you have to add 1 to the given number. If you add 1 to this given number 5341, you will get the answer 5342. And what is the predecessor of the 6000? I already told you, if you want to find the predecessor means the before number. Okay, so you have to subtract 1 from the 6000. If you subtract 1 from 6000, you will get 5999. That is the answer for the predecessor. Next, I will give you some exercise based on this to try this. The successor of 4576 is. All of you take your notebook, put one separate notebook for mathematics and write all these things. You do all the, try this in the separate A4 sheet. Do it in the notebook as well as in the A4 sheet. That is used for that activity mark, okay? So you write it. And you have to do by yourself. The predecessor of the predecessor of 8970. This 8970 is. Next step, 999 plus 1 equals dash. Then 1000 minus 1 equals. Then last or final question, the predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number. Predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number. First of all, you have to find the smallest 5-digit number. Then you have to find the predecessor for the number. Right? Okay. Next we pass on to the place value. How to find the place value for the given number? Here, place value chart is here. You have to remember this place value chart. How to do the place value chart? Before that, you have to split this place value in periods. What are the periods? Crores, lakhs, then thousands and ones. You have to open like this. Then you have to take the place value. How can you take the place value? Here the crore is splitting into two and lakhs also into 2, and 1000 also into 2, and ones is divided into 3. All of you listen. This value crore, 10 crore, that is TC crore. This is 10 crore. This is crore. 10 lakh, 10 lakh, lakhs, then 1000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, and 1,000, then ones is into 100, tens, ones. Here 100, this is 100, then tens, this is ones. You have to listen. The place one is this TC is 10 crore, C is crore, TL is 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Right? This is the place value chart. All of you must learn this. Then only you can find the place value. Now how to find that or how to read the numbers? Try to read the number. If the number is given for you like this is our example. I'll give you one sum. Try to read the number. Try to read the number 359468421. A very big number is given for you. And how to read this? By using somebody given like this, using periods. Using periods. Then it will be very easy to do it. So first of all, what you have to do, if the sum is given like this, you have to open the periodic place value chart like this. Then what you have to do, you have to substitute the values, numbers there. I am going to open this. First of all, you have to write the periods. What are the periods? Crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. Then the place value. What is the place value? Here. Then you have to write the number. Then you have to open that number name. How to write the number in words? That is number name. These are all the things you already learned in your standard, but we are just recalling you. Okay. Now I told you how to split this. We have to split the crore into 2, lakhs into 2, and 1,000 into 2 columns, and ones into 3 columns. Now what is in the first column? 10 crore. Isn't it? This is crore and this is 10 lakh TL, then lakh, and 1000, 10,000, then 1000. Here you have to write hundreds, tens and ones. Oh. Now you substitute the values. What is the number given here? You have to write it from the ones. Then only you can write it correctly. Now I have to substitute the ones here. What is the ones here? I will write the numbers to the appropriate digits. For ones, 1 you have to write. Then for tens, 2. Then for 100, 4. Then for 1000, 6. Sorry, 8. And then for 10,000, 6. Then for lakhs, 4. Then for 10 lakhs, 9. And then for crore, 5. And then for 10 crore, 3. I just write the number to the appropriate given digits. Now can you able to say the name of the number? Can you write the number? Can you able to read the number? And you have to write it in a word. That is the number name. Now how to read? 35 crores. Because in crores place, what are the number here? 35. So you have to write 35 crores. Then see that lakhs. How many lakhs? For 10 lakhs, 9. Here is 4. Then you have to take that as 94. Then 94 lakhs. Then see the 1000. How many thousands? 2. 10,000 is 6 and 1000 is 8. For 10,000. 6 and 8 you have to take that as 68. 68,000. Then see that 100. 4. For tens 2. For ones 1. How to read this? 421. 68,400. 421. Now all of you clear, children? How to read the given number. Try to read the number and how to place the place value. If you read the number and you can able to write the place value, then you can say the number name. Now see that 35 crores, 94 lakhs, 68,421. Okay, clear, children? I will give you some problems based on this place value or read the number. You have to do that. You have to fill the columns by using this chart. Okay? This is also one of the try this. You have to do it in a notebook as well as in a A4 sheet. That A4 sheet will be calculated for the activity mark. Okay? I'll give you some problem based on this. Try this. Or fill the try this. Complete the table. Complete the table. The tail is given here. Just you have to complete that number. Number. TC, C, TL, L, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. The number name. Now listen all of you. What is the first number given? 1670. And the second number 7684. And the third one 120001. Then the fourth one 7800500. And the fifth one 53409098. Then the sixth one 1987659112. Then you have to fill it here. And the last column, you have to open the last column. Little bit big. Because you can't write the number name here. For example, I'll do the fourth one. How can you fill this? I already told you how to fill this. While filling the column, you have to fill it from the ones. Okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. Okay? Now, if I take the, for example, this number, the fourth one, I am going to fill it from a ones. What is the ones column? Ones column is 0. Then tens also 0. The 100 place 5. Then for 1,000 0. Then for 10,000 that is also 0. Then for a lakh 8. And then for 10 lakh 7. Now can you able to read this? Yes. For the number started from 10 lakh. 7, 8. You have to take that as a 78 lakh. Then for 1,000 and 10,000, 0 is given. So just you take that 100 place, 500. If you take that 100 place, 5 is given. And for tens and ones, 0, 0. So I have to calculate this as ones as 500. Right? How to name the number here? 78 lakhs and 500. 78 lakhs and 500. So you have to write it here. 78 lakhs 78 lakhs and 500. You open the last column as a bigger one. Then only you can able to write the name. Like that you have to fill all these things. Children, all of you, take the chart. First of all, you have to listen to class. Then you take it down the place value chart. Then you try to do all these things. Okay? Then only you can do it very easily. Right?